So this is my Raspberry Pi based doorbell. I have a custom circuit board. I doubt you can see it. Let's see. There's one of them. So that acts as both a transformer, or DC rectifier anyways, for the 24 volts AC into the Pi. It does go to a buck converter for some voltage regulation. And then it also detects when the ring occurs by basically detecting a short, and then tells the Raspberry Pi via GPIO that the doorbell has been rung, and then it will play a specific playlist or song when the button's pushed. So let's go ring the doorbell.